Hi everyone, welcome back again. My name's James as always. Less than 60 seconds. Today's ACCA exam tip is how you can incorporate, or should incorporate, exercise into your revision routine. Now I've been there where you've been at work all day, you've had the long slog, and you've got to sit down, you've got to go through some revision notes, and you probably said to yourself, I haven't got time, I should be sat in front of my books reading through things more. Well, in actual fact, by going out having a small walk in between chunks of revision, so I always say about 20 minutes, get up, go and have a little walk around, fresh air, and you come back re-energized with a better focus as well. Now, I've put on the actual screen, as you can see on here, on ACCA's website, some other key points on this, what they actually advocate about energizing yourself, so check it out. Let me know in the comments below how you get on and if your performance increases from it. As always, feel free to subscribe. 98 subscribers, taking over the world as always. But on that bombshell, I'll see you next time. Cheers.